Welcome, beautiful salespeople. As the end of the year approaches, every big company and corporation are doing 2023 reports for their shareholders. That's why I decided to do the same thing for you, for my main shareholders, for my viewers, because without you this channel won't be existent. So prepare just for a casual fireside cozy chat with a bunch of statistics, the stuff that worked in 2023, just gonna be a rewind of everything that we did. And in the next video we're gonna cover plans for 2024, so you know what to be prepared and what to wait for. Let's go. The first thing is that we started the 1st of May 2023. And the reason for that, I was thinking to start the channel and start the YouTube and the community for a long time, but finally in May I made the decision that yes, we need to do this, and then I committed to doing this at least for a whole year. And this was one of the best decisions for me in 2023, because the amount of enjoyment that I see from making these videos, from seeing them going somewhere, and then also having you message me, DM me that this strategy worked, you booked a client there, you closed the deal there, that you watched like 20 videos in a row. All of these things are helping me to keep going, keep moving the pace, because I really like doing this thing, and I see that even if I help one person, even if it's only one person that's watching my channel, then it still makes sense for me to go and share the value, because I genuinely enjoy this and I love that you are getting value out of this. And the fact that we have 159 subs is just groundbreaking. There is 160 people on the whole globe that are interested in learning more about Web3, going deeper, and from all the deepness of my heart, I'm really grateful to you. We have been posting videos every week, 2 videos per week in a row, no breaks, and since the 1st of May we have accumulated 68 videos. 68 videos on different topics, on different things, and we're gonna do a breakdown, and we're gonna cover all the formats that we did. And we have 114 members in Telegram community. And what I value and proud the community for, and people that are in the community, that they're active, that they're engaged, and that they are connecting with each other, they're relying on each other. This is the best, one of the best communities that I have seen in Web3 in terms of engagement, in terms of bonding, in terms of coming to different calls. It's not just the thing where everybody wants to sell you everything. It's the place where everybody are connecting because they want to educate, they want to make the next step, and they want to jump in their career. That's why I basically wanted to do this kind of community. That's why I wanted to do the YouTube channel. And I'm grateful to you, to my shareholders, for supporting the company, for supporting the channel. Next thing, we're gonna do the graph of the total views. So when you see it, as we started in the beginning of May, we had pretty much skyrocketed very fast already in June, and then since June we have been kind of like in the similar trend. Maybe it's going a little bit downwards, but you see that certain videos at certain periods we have certain spikes. So my thing for 2023, I was trying to figure out what makes this kind of spikes, and I wanted to have more of these spikes. And then in 2024, the goal for us would be going from this range, like beneath 75 views per day, to let's say 300, 500 views per day. This would be a huge jump for us, and I will figure out how to do this. The next thing, and the next graph, is the breakdown of who is my viewers. I wanted to better understand who are you, who is my main shareholder. And the statistics says that it's from 11 to 24 years old male, and regions or countries where the viewers are coming from is number 1 is India, second one is Nigeria, then we have US, Georgia, and France, top countries, which was a little bit surprising for me. Like maybe not the first ones, India and Nigeria, because there was a lot of people there and a lot of passionate young guys that want to go into this industry and crush it, and they need very good knowledge to rely on to build the business results. Then we have the US with the largest Web3 job market. Then we have Georgia, but Georgia, I believe, it's majority of Russians that are watching me from Georgia. And then we have France, which was a big surprise for me, because I didn't expect that France would actually rank in the top. If you are a French viewer, you are watching me, you're living in France, please let me know. I'll leave my contacts, my content or my details down below in the comments, so we can I would love to know more about you. What brought you to the channel? What are your interests? So I can tailor and make more content for you. And the next thing, the next graph that we have here is the most popular video dynamics. You see everything, every good video that I post, in the beginning it has a huge spike, and the YouTube algorithm helps to have this spike. and then it just dramatically drops. But then for good videos, it's still you still see that they're continuing. And if we're talking about top 10 videos, these are the top 10 videos. So the best video is 7 websites to find quality Web3 projects with around 200 views, and then everything just going down from it. Big surprise for me was that the first video that I ever made, which is Web3 prospecting overview for Web3 BD and sales, which is almost 30 minutes. I don't do anything about it, but it just starts ranking, and then I saw that it was, in the beginning, it was like it had very small amount of views, and now it's slowly ranked to be in the top 3, and then with the chance of flipping how to make LinkedIn outreach. So the first video, 7 websites to find quality Web3 projects, is a very good video because it's just an overview of the websites. Not a lot of people know this information. This is a good, valuable video. The second one is how to make LinkedIn outreach. It was a total random thing for me, like 4-minute video that I just recorded, and then I just posted it, and then boom, it just went. It went viral. It has been the top 1 video for me for quite a long time. Then on the 4th position, we have Mastering Web3 Conferences. I tried a new strategy here where I posted this video in a couple of groups, which brought me new viewers, which brought me more views. Then the 5th video is again about websites, something practical, something people can start doing right now. Then we have selling Web3 to Web2 companies, then again LinkedIn, because I saw that I should do more of that. And then we have new videos that I've been posting since September, because in September I did the switch in my approach. In the September I wanted to do a kind of like a course, one playlist, where you are 0 at Web3, you're 0 at sales, you're coming to this playlist, you're watching the whole playlist, you are good intermediate level, you can go, you can start selling, you can start writing. These videos are from it, like how to learn Web3 sales and BD basics. This is like the first video in this course. And then we have how to pitch Web3 solutions, we just skyrocketed. So this thing here, it's actually, you see that it's like top 1 video in terms of views in 1 day generated. This is actually it. We have it here. And others, so what you can see here, all of these videos are practical. Maybe it's a compilation of websites, maybe it's a tool review, maybe it's just an overview, what do you do, like how do you prospect overall, just the process breakdown, whole process, like full in-depth view. Then Mastering Web3 Conferences, again, it's like full in-depth view on the conferences. So what this tells me and what this tells you as my shareholders is that we need to focus and capitalize more on this kind of videos, because they're bringing more interest, they're more interesting to you, they have more value to you in comparison to all the videos where I was doing like interviews or logs or this or that. So I'm gonna do more of that. Next thing is almost 40% of viewers are subscribed, which is good. I don't think it's bad, because for channels that are doing just education or for educational content, I think it's okay. But if you are watching this and you are unsubscribed and you wanna improve the statistics, feel free. You can just drop a like, just drop that button, subscribe button, and that's it. And you're improving this, and then we're closer to the number. Ideally would be if we flip it in the other way in the 2024, when it's 60% subscribed and 40% unsubscribed, and that would be still very good. Or I'm okay to still remain the same, but we just scale 10x. If we have 28,000 here and 17,000 here, that would be also okay. So we have two options here, and everything is in your heads as my shareholders. The next thing is new formats that we tried. So in the beginning there was me talking with a Google Doc. Basically, Google Doc is outlined. So the Web3 prospecting video, the overview, the third one in popularity, is just basically 30 minutes me having a Google Doc in front of me, reading it, and then elaborating more and expanding on the topics. And then we had talking with slides, this format, which I personally really like. It's convenient for me to do these things, to organize this information, and it seems to be working for you guys. If it's not working, please let me know in the comments. It's like it's just between you and me, because at this point in the video, it's only people that are really deeply interested in this stuff remained. So if you like these slides, just write me down in a comment or write me down in Telegram, hey Nicolai, yeah, it's good, or it's bad, I don't like it, or tell me which format did you like the most out of these 7. And then we had practical videos with demonstrations. It's, for example, when I show you how to use a specific tool. Then we had the vlog type of video where it was just one video where I was showing you day in the life of an account executive in Stockholm. Actually, I'm gonna do a new video from a new city. Then we have 5 conversational videos in the nature where it was basically, to be completely honest with you, it's when I started becoming lazy. It's like I didn't want to record the video and, you know, to do some stuff or like to plan something, to do a presentation and then sit down and then dedicate time and then make sure that everything's quiet, this and that. For me, it was easier. Like I had a basic draft in my head and I was just going somewhere and just putting my phone and shooting like 5 minutes video, like talking you about some cool concept that I learned for. But I saw that they're not popular because they're not bringing value for you. That's why I stopped doing them. And that's why I understood that if I'm continue to being lazy, then it's going to be an end game for me. That's why I switched the model when we started doing the course, for people from zero to mastery. This was like the big shift because I understood that I cannot continue in that way because my channel was going like this. Then we have snappy how-to videos. It's like that one, 4 or 5 minutes, very easy. And interviews. Interviews, we tried doing like 5 rounds interviews with different people, asking them about Web3. What I understood that this model is good. The videos are getting views, but they are not really engaging. And I wasn't sure about the value that the people were getting there, right? It's still like if you have this 30 minutes and you dedicate your attention for 30 minutes to listen to some Web3 thing, then it needs to be really, really good. And I didn't know how to do that really, really good thing. Another idea, I'm going to share you, I still want to do the interviews, but I'm going to change the format a little bit and I'm going to cover this in the next video. So stay tuned for next video for 2024 plans. But this was just an overview of what we did. And then the last thing is, it was a great journey for me. And I really, really hope that you're enjoying this ride too. That you're subscribed, that you are liking the videos, that you're getting insights here, that you're selling more, that you're seeing results. This is the most important thing for me. Because I'm sharing the knowledge with you. The knowledge itself is good, but if you don't apply it, the knowledge won't take any effect. So the best way how you can thank me for doing these videos is just, even if you do not want to subscribe, if you do not want to press the like button, you can just take the knowledge and apply it to your life, apply it to your work career, get the results, and this is going to be the best thank you for me, because then I know that the universe will give back to me because you are getting results. And I believe in the balance in the nature and in everything. So that's the best way what you can do. Don't just consume information, go there and do something and try something. And if something doesn't work for you, you feel free to reach me out because my contact details are always below. You can reach me on Telegram, you can reach me on email, whenever you want. If something's not working for you, just do that, just tell me. But thank you specifically, and thank you overall as an audience, for each and every one of you for supporting me, for watching the channel, for engaging with the content, for attending the networking events that we're doing every 2 weeks, for joining the Telegram group, for chatting in the Telegram group, but most importantly, for showing up, because showing up is the most important thing that you can do every day. If you show up today, tomorrow, and on Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, this means that that nobody can break you. If your intention to show up and continue showing up and do this and continue pushing this until you get the result, until you get the goals, something that you really, really want to achieve, this is the most important thing. Just show up. And from my end, I'm gonna do the videos, I'm gonna do the content, I'm gonna share the knowledge, I'm gonna connect you with more people, I'm gonna get more information, give you the best tools so you can go there and get the results. Love all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the 2024. Bye bye.